Everyone keeps saying AI is already too advanced, or I'm late to this whole thing. But what if that isn't true at all? The truth is, AI is still an open road, and most people haven't even stepped onto it yet. Right now, millions are watching from the sidelines, unsure where to start, scared they've missed their chance. But here's what no one tells you. This is still the beginning. The tools are new, the opportunities are wide open, and the people who win won't be the ones who started first, they'll be the ones who started smart. And that's exactly why this video matters. Instead of overwhelming you with hype or complicated tech talk, I'm going to reveal 7 clear, practical steps you can start using immediately to understand AI, use it confidently, and actually benefit from it. So if you've ever felt behind, confused, or overwhelmed by AI, this video is for you. Number 1. Stop treating AI like a search engine. Many people make the mistake of using AI the same way they use Google, just asking for answers and expecting exact results. But AI isn't just a tool for looking things up, it's a thinking partner. The real power of AI comes when you engage with it, explore ideas together, and use it to challenge your own thinking. Instead of typing a question and copying the first response, take the time to ask follow-up questions, explore multiple angles, and test different approaches. A search engine gives you information, but AI can help you analyze, brainstorm, and problem solve. It can generate new ideas, suggest creative solutions, and even point out possibilities you hadn't considered. When you use it effectively, you're not just finding answers, you're learning to think differently, faster, and more strategically. Bad usage looks like asking AI to write my essay or give me the answer without engaging with the process. Good usage is when you bring your own knowledge, ask AI to expand on it, and use it to refine your ideas. This approach transforms AI from a simple lookup tool into a collaborative partner that can help you master new skills, tackle complex problems, and become more innovative in your work. Number 2, give AI a role every time. Using AI effectively isn't about secret prompts or magical words, it's about communicating clearly and thoughtfully. Many people type unclear instructions and then wonder why the results are ordinary or off target. AI responds best when you give it direction. Assign it a role, define the task, specify the output format, and provide context or constraints. For complex problems, break tasks into steps. Give examples and treat AI as a collaborative partner rather than a tool that does everything perfectly on its own. When guided well, AI can transform the way you work. It can help you write emails, reports, and social media content faster, analyze data to make smarter decisions, organize your workload efficiently, and even improve leadership and team management. It can troubleshoot technical issues, automate repetitive tasks, and generate ideas that save time and reduce stress. The key is practice, experimentation, and precise guidance. The better you communicate, the smarter and more useful AI becomes, turning it into a powerful tool for productivity, creativity, and problem-solving every day. Number 3, use a simple prompt structure. When it comes to working with AI, clarity beats complexity every time. Instead of writing long, confusing prompts, you can get much better results by keeping things simple and structured. A method I like uses 3 steps: who, what, how. First, define who you are. This gives the AI context about your perspective or role. For example, I'm a small business owner launching an eco-friendly product. Next, be clear about what you need, your task or goal. You might say, I need a social media post that promotes the product. Finally, describe how you want it done. Tone, style, and format all go here, in a fun, casual tone with a call to action for pre-orders. Putting it all together, your prompt becomes easy for the AI to understand. By using this simple structure, you don't just tell the AI what to do, you guide it. Your outputs become more accurate, relevant, and actionable, without overcomplicating the instructions. Number 4, practice daily with real tasks. Life can feel overwhelming at times. Tasks pile up, decisions weigh on you, and even small things like figuring out what to eat, keeping a routine, or packing for a trip can suddenly feel exhausting. Often, the problem isn't a lack of ability, but mental overload. This is exactly where mastering AI becomes powerful. Instead of treating AI as something you only use occasionally, the key is to practice with it daily using real tasks. Use AI to help you plan your schedule, break down complex work, brainstorm ideas, summarize information, or decide what to prioritize first. The more you involve AI in everyday situations, the better you understand what it can do and how to guide it effectively. Think of AI as a thinking assistant, not a replacement for your judgment or creativity. When used well, it helps you organize your thoughts, reduce repetitive effort, and make faster, clearer decisions. This frees up mental space and allows you to focus on what actually matters. problem solving, creativity, and execution. Number 5. Improve through follow-ups. One of the most powerful ways to get better results from AI is through follow-ups. Instead of expecting a perfect answer on the first try, think of AI as a collaborator that improves when you guide it step by step. By rewriting, expanding, or simplifying its responses, you create a feedback loop that gradually refines the output. Each iteration helps clarify your goals and teaches the AI what works best. For example, you might start with a broad answer, then follow up by asking it to provide more details, rephrase complicated sentences, or focus on a specific angle. Over time, these small adjustments lead to more precise, accurate, and useful responses. The key is consistency. Document each version, compare improvements, and continue refining. This process shows that iteration isn't just repetition, it's a structured approach that turns a basic response into one that truly meets your needs. By using follow-ups effectively, you unlock the full potential of AI and ensure that each answer gets better than the last. Number 6. Build a personal AI system. Now that your workflows are active, it's time to create a personal AI system that truly works for you. Start by saving the prompts and automation sequences you use most often. This makes repeating tasks effortless and ensures your AI learns what matters to you. Next, customize your AI to match your daily routines or work needs. You can adjust notifications, refine tasks, and modify logic to fit your habits, so it not only performs tasks, but anticipates what you'll need next. Over time, your AI becomes more than just a tool. It transforms into a digital assistant tailored to your life, helping you save time, reduce errors, and stay organized without constant oversight. By building a personal AI system, you're investing in a smarter, more efficient way of working every day. Number 7. Verify and think critically. In today's world, AI is everywhere. It can analyze mountains of data in seconds, spot patterns we might miss, and even make predictions that seem almost magical. But as impressive as it is, AI isn't perfect. Machines lack the context, intuition, and ethical reasoning that humans bring to every decision. That's why human judgment still matters, especially when the stakes are high. Mistakes happen, even with the smartest algorithms. AI can be confident in its predictions, yet still be wrong. Humans, on the other hand, can question results, consider the bigger picture, and apply experience and critical thinking in ways machines simply cannot. The key is learning to combine the strengths of both. AI can handle repetitive, data-heavy tasks, freeing humans to focus on insight, ethics, and nuance. By verifying AI's outputs and thinking critically, we can make smarter, safer decisions. Mastery in the age of AI isn't about choosing humans or machines, it's about knowing how to make them work together. Common myths about AI. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to clear up some of the most common myths about AI. Some people think AI will replace everyone, but the truth is it works best as a tool to enhance your skills and make your work easier, not to take over your job. Others worry that you need a technical background to get started, but all you really need is curiosity, a willingness to practice, and a bit of patience. And for those who feel it's already too late, remember, most people are just beginning to explore AI, which means it's the perfect time for you to start learning too. Understanding these myths makes AI far less intimidating and much easier to master. Now that you know the steps to start learning AI and have cleared up the common myths, remember, it's never too late to begin. Try applying these steps every day. Even just a few minutes of practice will add up and make a real difference over time. Consistency is what turns learning into skill. If this video helped you, go ahead and like this video, drop a comment with your biggest AI question, and subscribe for more tips to help you master AI and stay ahead of the curve.